This is not just a helicopter. This is the AH-1Z Viper, the deadliest fang of the US Marine Corps. As it slices the skies with thunderous dart power, this beast proves why it dominates modern battlefields. Captured in stunning clarity, this Flyby isn't just for show. This is a live demonstration of brute joint speed, weaponized elegance, and precision low-altitude control. The AH-1Z doesn't just fly, it hunts. Derived from the legendary Cobra line, the AH-1Z brings twin engines, advanced avionics, and full-spectrum firepower, Hydra 70 rockets, Hellfire missiles, and that iconic 20mm Gatling gun, all locked and loaded. This machine is born for close air support and born to strike fast. Every inch of the Viper screams USMC, built to operate from ships, endure harsh conditions, and deploy rapidly. With a glass cockpit, helmet-mounted displays, and advanced survivability systems, it gives Marines eyes in the sky and teeth in the fight. This is battlefield control from above. What makes this Flyby extraordinary is the way it hugs the terrain, weaving through danger zones like a ghost. Radar evading, laser focused, mission ready. This isn't a training run, it's a rehearsal for war. To allies, it brings assurance. To enemies, a warning. When the Viper arrives, silence turns into thunder. It's not just technology, it's battlefield, psychology. The AH-1Z Viper isn't just flying past, it's carving its legacy in the air, from the front lines to the skies above. This is America's gunship guardian. Witness the roar, feel the rush, salute the steel. Subscribe to Supersonic News for more extreme military footage, raw power reveals, and untold tech stories from the world's most elite machines. Don't forget to like, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite attack chopper of all time?